Hi everybody, my name is Allie Sparks and I'm a registered dietitian here with Blue Cross of Idaho. Today I want to show you how to make a super easy pull-apart chicken that you can make quite a bit of at home and then turn into all kinds of different meals. So I'm going to start by using most things that I found in my local grocery store freezer. So frozen chicken breasts, frozen veggies, and a can of salsa, and that's literally all I'm going to use. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to throw my frozen chicken breast into my crock pot. I love my crock pot because the idea of setting it and forgetting it while you're trying to work at home and parent and teach all at the same time is super appealing to me. After I put my chicken into my crock pot, I'm going to add my veggies. I chose a corn, black bean, onion, and bell pepper mix. I'm also going to add some additional bell peppers just for fun because I think they're super tasty. From there, I will cover my chicken with my jar of salsa. Just enough to cover it, and I'll mix it up. So let me show you what that looks like. So I am going to pour my chicken into my crock pot here, my crock pot base. I'm gonna make enough for the week, so I'm gonna add quite a bit, about half of the bag of the frozen chicken. From there, I'm going to add my vegetable medley, my corn, black beans, and onions, and bell peppers. I'll probably add the whole bag just because we want to make sure that we get a good amount of veggies in there. Same with the bell peppers. Throw those in here. All right. And I'm gonna pour my jar of salsa over everything, just enough to cover, which is probably gonna be about the whole jar at this point. So just pour it in. All right. And I will mix this up and I'll put it in my crock pot on low for about 4 to 6 hours or on high for about 4 hours. And once the chicken is all cooked and tender, we can shred it up. All right, so we're back. It's been about 5 hours. So we are going to pull the chicken out of the crock pot. All of the water that was in some of those frozen vegetables and some of the frozen chicken has melted out. So we really got a really nice sauce going on here too. So once I pull some of the chicken out, you can see that it is extremely tender once we start shredding it here. And to shred this, I'm just gonna take a couple forks and really just hold it down and pull it apart. So we can see it shredding really, really nice. We have all of our chicken shredded. So what we're gonna do from this point is just kind of add in some of that sauce from our crock pot. Just to get a little bit more flavor. You can see there's a lot of sauce that got made in there. We'll stir it up. We'll add some salt, pepper, maybe some onion powder, some garlic powder, fresh garlic. And this can go in the fridge for about a week, or we can even cool it down and put it in the freezer and it can last for about 6 to 8 months. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to comment below or tweet us any of your ideas and we can feature some of your ideas in some of our next videos. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn.